Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. I really like the expression on this kitty's face. That's the big wide back part of the cat. We'll get the paws and arms in. Arms or legs, whatever you want to call them. Might have made Kitty a little bit wider than in the picture, but that's okay. I just kind of like to let my drawings become what they be. Got some lines in there for eyes. That head needed to be a bit wider, I think. Okay, now we'll get into getting the eyes in there. Yeah, turn the paper around. Just trying to really remember that less is more with this one. One arm. I like that little kind of sideways smirk. I don't know if you want to call it that. And I do have it going 2.5 times the speed here. So I'm drawing a lot slower than you actually see me drawing here. I'm just voicing over. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing. Tell me about yourself or your cat. We'll put that kitty on the back of a couch. I think that's where the cat is. Yeah, so drop me a comment. Even tell me where you are in the world, whatever. I just love to hear from you. I like it. Just a few whiskers to give the idea of whiskers. I don't want to weigh that face down in this simple drawing with a lot of whiskers. And some wiggle lines. Thanks so much for watching today. We'll see you next time.